Let's make pesto pasta.
Hi fam and welcome to Perima's kitchen. I am Solina and I'm making some pesto in 15 minutes. All you're going to need is some linguine pasta. That's like that flat pasta. It's like a flat spaghetti. I prefer the linguine or penne because the pesto coats it nicely. You need 2 cupfuls of basil, a 1/4 cup of pine nuts, small clove of garlic, lemon, salt, black pepper and extra virgin olive oil. And let's not forget Parmesan cheese. About 3/4 of a cup of grated Parmesan. Boil your linguine pasta or your penne pasta. Add lots of salt. And we're going to use a lot of the pasta water in our pesto. So just a reminder, before you strain everything, keep some pasta water aside for your pesto. And now we're ready to make pesto in literally 10 to 15 minutes. Let's add 2 cups of our basil leaves, fresh basil leaves. Followed by some pine nuts, and you only need about a 1/4 cup of pine nuts. Get that in. I'm adding a small clove of garlic. We're going to add some salt to taste, and I'm only adding about 1/2 teaspoon of fine salt. Followed by freshly cracked black pepper. Lots of it. The juice of a lemon, and this is approximately 2 tablespoons, I will say. I've taken 1 lemon and I've squeezed it. It's safer for you to do it in a bowl separately. Squeeze it into a bowl and then put it into your blender. Otherwise, you might just miss 1 or 2 seeds in there and then it'll become a bit bitter. I'm going to add a ladle of warm pasta water. Then push down into your blender because the leaves do create a lot of space. You need to push it down. And when blending, you're going to have to remove it, shake it a little bit and put it back a couple of times. So blend a little, and then I'm going to add some more pasta water. And this is my second ladle of pasta water. Blend again. I'm now ready to add the Parmesan cheese, approximately 3/4 of a cup of Parmesan cheese. And you can keep a little of your Parmesan cheese aside for your final presentation. I'm just going to grate a little bit more towards the end. So finally, you're going to add some olive oil. And I add it at this point because you don't want it to become bitter. You need approximately 6 tablespoons of olive oil. And this is extra virgin olive oil. You're going to blend, give it a shake and blend once more. And then I'm going to check on my pasta. And fam, this is just a reminder, if you are enjoying the video, kindly subscribe. Please like and share. Hit that notification bell so you are notified when a new video is uploaded. And I always look forward to your comments. Now brace yourself for this beautiful, gorgeous green color. The easiest pesto sauce you can ever make. So it might be slightly still on the thicker side, but not to worry. Before I strain my linguine, I'm going to take a couple ladles of pasta water and set it aside for my pesto. And I'll use this pasta water to make it less concentrated or less thick. Here we go. The linguine has been strained and it's ready. Test out your linguine before you strain it. You want it to be al dente. So finally, before I add the pesto, I'm going to add 2 more ladles of pasta water to my pesto, as it was quite thick. And this is 500 grams of linguine, so I want my pesto to go a long way. Once you've added 2 more ladles of pasta water, you can give it another quick blitz, and then you are ready to add it to your pasta. And here we go. I'm going to use my tongs to just toss it into the pasta. Make sure your pesto sauce is evenly distributed. And don't waste any basil pesto from your blender. Make sure you remove every last bit. And remember, you can enjoy pesto warm or served cold. And before you finally present, add a drizzle of virgin olive oil and add a little bit of grated Parmesan cheese. And then just add a couple of basil leaves on top. Absolutely gorgeous. I made a refreshing side salad, but I was so eager to eat, I only popped in the garlic rolls in the air fryer and I forgot all about my salad. And trust me, once you take a bite of this, you won't blame me. It was unbelievably delicious.
Oh my word. This is so tasty. The basil, the olive oil, the lemon juice, the pineapple.
And the Parmesan just elevates the flavor.
I love it.
And that's it. Within 10 to 15 minutes, you have a basil pesto pasta ready. You can even refrigerate your pesto sauce overnight and use it the next day. And this makes it even easier and quicker for those vegetarian days. As usual, all ingredients and quantities used will be found in the drop-down description below. Thank you, fam, for watching. Please subscribe, kindly hit that notification bell, please like and share, and I will see you again soon. Lots of love from Perima's Kitchen. I am Solina.